Today, I'm gonna try and put together a mini house. 2 Sile of wood particle B50 on either side of wood particle of B51. What the hell does that mean? Well, here it is. The part 2 you've been waiting for a long time. This freaking thing. Now, before we get into this video, I want to make a confession. I got lazy because this thing is such a pain in the butt to put together. Not only that, hang on, this. Can you see that? That is a piece of the puzzle that we're trying to put together, which I lost in between filming the last time I was putting this thing together and now. And even worse, there were 2 pieces. I hope that's not important. See, here's our what we did last time. Okay. I'm not expecting this to it's just, yeah, bombs away. We just spilled a crap ton of pieces on the floor. Look at this! That's a freaking piece! Look how tiny that damn thing is! Oh no! We dropped so much stuff. Oh no. No good. No good. Okay, where's the directions? Way. Got it. Where'd I leave off at anyway? Oh, I think I was here last time. I don't even know what that is. And we dropped more pieces. Oh, yay! More pieces on the floor for everyone. Look at all the ones over there. There's 2 more pieces over there. I don't know how they got way over there, but they went over there. I don't know how they do it. I don't know how they put things like this together where this is made. Like, see, I made this little cabinet thing last time. This is where we kind of left off.
Walk out the door, you see someone that you know, and they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I just broke it. No. You know what? Everything can be fixed. Damn. Where did it go? I had to tossing the instructions. You know, everything can be fixed with a little duct tape. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. Alright. Take the cabinet, put it the right way. Yeah, like that. Yeah, like that. Fixed it. Next, take this piece. Take this glue. Glue this piece to it, glue that piece to it, glue this piece to it, glue this wire to it, tape it down, tape it down that way, add some hair, see if I give a damn. What did I just do? I'm just going to go ahead and say this though, I'm never buying one of these again. Unless it's put together. Because I can't do it. I can't. Here. This video series has gone into this tiny toilet. At least the damn toilet came put together. This would have took way too long. And I give up. I give up, I tell you. I give up! That little thing is a piece. You can't really see it because it's blurry, but it's a piece. and it's on the ground again. Damn it! There's another piece. I'm so done. I'm so done. Where's my hammer? I now pronounce you dead. Took care of that situation. Now, if you ever want me to do this again, don't click like, because I'm not doing it again. Never again. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And also follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time on ATV. Would you believe the last thing to survive on this table is that same damn piece that I was talking about at the very beginning of this video?